Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open your Google Sheet and select the cells whose size you want to change. First, pick a single column or row by clicking its header, or drag to highlight multiple columns or rows. Once done, right-click a header to see resize options. You can also use the View menu for frozen panes before resizing. Make sure to check for merged cells because they alter how size changes apply and can block uniform adjustments across columns or rows. Now adjust precisely. Right-click a selected column or row header and choose Resize Column or Resize Row. You'll see two choices: enter an exact pixel value for consistent sizing across a sheet, or choose Fit to Data so Google Sheets auto-sizes to content. Once you enter a value, click OK to apply. If you need finer control, open Format Resize Rows/Columns to target a range. This helps when you want numeric precision across non-contiguous selections and consistent visual layout. Finish by fine-tuning. Drag the column or row border to visually adjust size, or double-click the border to auto-fit to content quickly. Once done, make sure wrap text and merge cells aren't preventing the result you expect. Wrap can increase row height and merged cells can ignore individual column widths. If something goes wrong, use Undo immediately or reapply an exact pixel value to restore consistency. Finally, consider freezing key rows or columns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.